Manipur today recorded 13 fresh COVID-19 positive cases, taking the total tally to 121. Of this, 38 patients have been cured and discharged. Supply of essential commodities including rice to Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura and Barak Valley has been completely halted following a major landslide blocking the hill railway section between Lamding and Badarpur. The railway service in the hill section has been disrupted due to landslide on Monday night, sources said today. Based on a departmental inquiry initiated against two former officers in charge of narcotics and affairs of border, Director General of Police Manipur LM Khaute have suspended the two personnel with immediate effect. Inspector B. Rishikanta Sharma of CID Security and Tulihal Airport Police Station Officer in charge, Inspector S.H. Chandrakumar Singh, have been placed under suspension over dereliction of duty, the DGP said in an order issued today. With 9,304 cases and 260 deaths in the last 24 hours, the total number of COVID-19 infections in India reached 2,16,919 and the numbers of casualties soared to 6,075 today. Of the total, 1,04,106 people have been cured and discharged. Meanwhile, Defence Secretary Ajay Kumar has tested positive for COVID-19 and has been put under home quarantine. Ita NE Women Network, a Facebook group, donated Rs 38,900 to Sangeeta Devi Irungbam. Sangeeta was in dire need of help for medical treatment for a severe skin condition. Ita NE Women Network said it has also decided to repair her house. Nagaland registered 22 new COVID-19 cases today. With this, the total number of COVID-19 positive cases in the state went up to 80, according to a report. These new 22 cases are out of 171 samples tested at Naga Hospital Authority, Kohima and Dibrugarh. Tripura has registered 102 more COVID-19 positive cases, taking the state's overall tally to 622. Confirming the news, Tripura Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Dev in a tweet said 728 samples were tested for COVID-19 yesterday, out of which 102 were tested positive. Tension prevailed at Bhagat Singh Yuva Awas, which is a COVID care health center at Tripura capital Agartala, last night. They also ransacked the COVID care center. According to media reports, the windows and doors were also broken by the patients. The maximum infected patients of Tripura are now admitted at Bhagat Singh Yuva Awas COVID care centers. The WHO has decided to resume the hydroxychloroquine, part of its Solidarity trial, a global effort to find a treatment for COVID-19, after the Lancet issued an expression of concern over a study it had published that had questioned the effectiveness of HCQ, a media report said today. The WHO has suspended the HCQ segment of its trial based on the study published on May 22nd.